guys, this is Chandramani. Today we will discuss about Windows Server 2012. This is the first video of Windows Server 2012, and we will continue on more video and from configuration of Windows Server 2012 to an installation and role installation, and there are different variety of new features in Windows Server 2012. What are the new features? We will discuss the video in this video, but in this video the installation part will cover. I mean, we need to we will make Windows Server 2012 as a domain. So let's log in with the server. Okay, so once you log in, you will get the same screen as if you guys use Windows 8. The same screen we will get in Windows Server 2012 also, right? Let me log in Windows Server 2012. Actually, I'm just installing Windows Server 2012 in this VMware workstation. If you see this is the VMware machine, VMware workstation stand. I'm just installing Windows Server 2012 over here, right? And now it's loading server manager over here, and you can giving any comments over there. Okay, it's error. Okay, no issue. The server manager is loading. Just wait for some time. Yeah, once it loaded, we will continue the part. Okay, I think it's loading. See, this process is going on over here. You can see it, right? Now it's done. So first of all, I need to discuss about the looks wise, and we will compare the Windows 8, Windows 12, 2012 server, right? So in Windows 8, what we get, we will get start over here, right? And we will get administrative tool, and we will get all the roles or everything we will get, right? But here there is a no start option over there. If you click over here, this window will come. Yes, this is the window. If you want to go to the again to desktop, you will get the desktop. And if you want to log out from here, you can log out from here also. There are two options, sign out and lock. Alright, you can do it. And this is the control panel and the server manager also there, right? So let's go to the desktop over here. Okay, I'm just coming over desktop, and if you move the top right of right corner, then otherwise if you press Windows C over, you will get this option. You can find anything else from the search button. Okay, you can type like CMD, right? It's coming, right? If you right click of the CMD, see the many options are there, like you can open this command prompt as a run is up administrator, or open new window, and you can pin it to a taskbar, or pin to start, or open the locations where it is stored, right? You can do all these things. And again, just press Windows C in the setting button. In this power option, the restart and shutdown option there, and the network option, and the control panel also there. Okay, the control panel, you will get everything else. So there is no much of a difference between Windows 8, Windows Server 2000. Everything is there, but looks wise it's pretty much, pretty good. If you think about, see, when we are opening the server manager over here, right? Same thing in Windows Server 2012 also, server manager and task manager. This is the server manager, and this is the dashboard, right? In this dashboard, there are like if you wanted to adding roles and features, you can click over this option. And at the server manager, you can click over this option and create a server group. I mean, no need to take the so many servers in remotely RDP. You just create one group over here. In one server, you can take all, you can look all the server over here, so you can create the server group also. Right, in the local server, if you want to know about this server only, this is the computer name, everything here you can see it. This is the the Ethernet, which Ethernet card is there, and what the IP address, everything is there, right? And if you're talking about the all server, what are the server you have, you will see over here. Okay, but there is no server. This is the issue, and this server name, it's showing one. If some servers will be there, will show you, right? But it's not activated, right? Why it's not activated? Because I just installed the Windows Server 2012. That means it's not a server. I just installed the server operating system, right? And the file storage sharing disk, about you can see about the volume, and you can see about the disk. Okay, and the storage pools, everything you can see, right? In Windows Server 2008, if you want to open our administrative tool, we have to go by start and administrative tool, and you will get all this consoles, right? But here the administrative tool in place of administrative tool, it's a tool. And this tool, there are the variety of options. What was in Windows Server 2008 in administrative tool, in that is in tools in Windows Server 2012, right? In server manager over there, but it's written only the manager. In this manager console, you can add and role features, and also you can remove roles and feature, and you can add servers. And I told you that you can create server group also, or you can server manager properties. I mean, what this is means, specify the server manager data refresh rate. Okay, it's pretty much good. The server manager will refresh in how much time, in how much time. So it's 10 minutes, it's okay for me, no issue. Or do not start server manager automatically at logon. You can click or see. If you look at, I mean, whenever I log in this server, at that time the server manager I didn't open, right? It automatically open. But if you don't want to, whenever you log in, the server manager won't be open, then you should click over here. Okay, then it won't be open it, till the time if you not manual it's open, right? I'm just click over here. Okay, so this is the options are there, and you can do it, right? But today topic is we will configure. I think you understand all these things looks wise, and how these things, and what are the tasks we have performed. It will show over here is the notification bar. And if you want to take any help, you will go to help. If you click over the view, it's 100% views there, and how much percentage, looks wise you want, you can do zoom in, zoom out, everything. Or if you want to know more about the server manager, you can click over help, you will get to know, right? But we will install the active directory active directory Windows services. If you want to install the active directory ADDS, from here you can install. Otherwise you can go to the manage or add-on roles. Okay, so I'm just click over here. Okay, this before you beginning pages came, so just to the next, the next, to the next, and this is the active directory domain service, right? Click add and click next, click next, click next. If restart the destination server automatically if required. Okay, let's not click over here and press the install, right? The whatever the things need to be installed, everything over written over here. And this one by one points will be installed over here. Once this installation process will finish, we will come to again over it. Till the time we will pause the video. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Now active directory domain service has been installed in Windows Server 2012 R2. Now we need to promote the DC, I mean promote the domain control, right? So I think look at this window, it's a successful installed, right? Configuration required, installation succeed, and DC1, right? The additional steps are required to make this machine as a domain control, right? So this is the option over here. You can click over here, you can click, and you can promote the DC. Otherwise you can close over here. See, I told you there is this is the notification area. Whatever the things will be pending, you will get it over here, right? So I'm just click over this notification area. The configuration required in active directory domain services a DC1, right? There is option promote this is about to domain controller. I'm just click over here. See the page deployment configuration page scheme, and here there are the three options are there: add domain controller to an existing domain, or add new domain an existing forest, add new forest, add a new forest. But add new domain controller an existing domain, it's not right. Add new domain to an existing forest, not right? A new forest is the first option, and you just need to give the domain name. I'm just giving my domain name cmsahu.com. Sorry, so a new forest. I'm just giving this name cmsahu.com. Why I choose this last option? Because this is my first domain I'm configuring this forest, so I just select this option, add a new forest. I just give the new name cmsahu.com. I'm just click over here, right? The processing is going on. If you look at over here, and the asking this functional level, what functional level you wanted to give. Yes, my function, I'm okay with it. The reason why, whatever the server I gonna to make in this forest, that all will be Windows Server 2012. So that's why the forest functional level is okay for me, is Windows Server 2012 R2. And domain functional level also save, no problem. Yes, this I need to configure the domain name also, and it's required the password. You need to give the password. Okay, I'm just giving the password over here and click the next. Okay, and click the next over here, and it's verifying the NetBIOS name assigned to the domain and change if necessary. Let wait for some time, it's verifying. Yes, the NetBIOS domain name is cmsahu, no problem, I don't want to change it. Okay, the processing is going on. If you look at over here, right, and this specify the location of the Active Directory domain servers database, log file, and sysvolume folder. We will discuss about three folder on this later on this video. This is the database folder and log file folder and sysvolume folder, right? And click over the next. What are the configuration we have selected in this video previously, that all things is written over here, and I just click over next. And now it's verifying the prerequisites of domain controller operation. Okay, see, now it's done. All prerequisites checks passed successfully. Click install to begin installation, right? So I'm just install. Now it started to installation process, right? Let's wait for some time. It will install all these things. Till the time I just pause the video. Once the installation process will done, again we will come back. Welcome to this video again. Now this installation configuration is successful done, and now this restarting the server. Once the restart, we will log in again, and we will see it. Domain controller or Windows Server 2012 become a domain controller after the installation of Active Directory domain services, right? Let's wait for some time. Once it restarts, we will look at it. Now it's just restarting. The installation part is done, almost not required. Once this Active Directory domain services will done, then we will go to the other parts like DNS configuration, user configuration, everything we will say it. Let's wait for some time. Once it restart, let's restarting. Okay, see, applying security policies on the system, and now it's come, right? We will go for the administrator account. Type the password. Okay, and just log in this, right? Windows Server 2000 installed, uh, in Windows Server 2012 we have configured Active Directory domain services. If you look at over here, if you open the server manager, okay, see in the beginning of this video I show you that I just check mark on that do not show server manager while login, right? That's why it doesn't open while I'm login. But now I'm just click over here, let it's open Windows Server 2012 server manager. Okay, 8 till the time it is opening. Yeah, now it's opening. Okay, see Windows Server 2000 open. If you look at over here, so what are the roles we have installed, it will show you. Now it's loading, just wait for some time. Wait for some time. Yeah, see if you look at over here, ADDS it's installed, right? And DNS also installed, right? And if you click over the notifications also, there is no task is pending, right? So if you see over the server, local server and all server, see it's showing Active Directory domain service installed in DC1, right? So thanks for watching this video. I will show you and the other parts of this video on another video. So till that time, bye, take care.